All right, so Derek is the physical therapist that owns iPal over here, and they have the laser, and we're combining that with the Moab. Derek is going to give us a little bit about what the laser does.
Well, essentially, we're just shooting a concentrated beam of light into his shoulder, and what we're hoping to do is trigger the mitochondria. If you can go back to a ninth grade biology class, remember that the mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. They produce ATP. That's what our body uses for energy. And there are receptors in the cell wall of the mitochondria that, when triggered by light, tell it to start to power up, start producing ATP. And that's really what we're trying to take advantage of this laser to do, is stimulate some ATP production and as a consequence, healing. And so we believe that that jump starts the healing process. And but sometimes we have just extraordinary results that we really can't explain using that definition. So I guess today what we're going to try to do is combine the Moab and the laser and see what kind of initial result we get here.
So healing in general, whether it's the physical body or whether you're growing tomatoes, we have to have a coalition of energy, and there has to be circulation or irrigation. There's got to be critter control, and there has to be nutrients. So the Moab has nutrients and also has very powerful critter killers. So it's a combination of black seed oil and things like eggplant and cayenne pepper and garlic and some of these other plants that are naturally in an environment where they have to fight off fungus in order to stay alive, right? So they are really experts at knowing how to kill fungus. If these, again, areas of fungus build up in tissue sites like on Martin, it's really in this bicipital head here, then the immune system will react and start producing these cytokines that then cause the pain. So the laser that Derek is introducing does a couple of things. One is it's an energy source, so it's very similar to sunshine on your plants. And then the other thing is that when that ATP production, it opens up the blood vessels, right? So it vasodilates blood vessels, and then we get the irrigation effect. So we put all those together, then we should get some healing, and we should be able to see some improvement, some decrease in pain and increased mobility. I'm expecting even with just one treatment.